Hi everyone, welcome to our Chinese Pinyin class today. First, let's talk about what Pinyin is. Pinyin is like the phonetic alphabet for Chinese. It uses the Latin letters you all know to show us how to pronounce Chinese characters. No more guessing how to say a Chinese word. It's the easiest way to start learning Mandarin pronunciation. And it's what Chinese people use every day to type Chinese on the phone and computer too. Today, we'll learn the basics of Pinyin, and the most important thing you need to remember, Chinese is a tonal language and Pinyin has tones. Unlike English, the tone of a word changes its meaning. We'll talk about that later in detail. We will start slow. First, learn the basic sounds of Pinyin. Then we'll put them together to make syllables, and finally, we'll add the tones. It's like building blocks, super easy once you get the hang of it. So here are some of the pinyin that you really should know. I know this kind make your head spin off. It's not easy, and I do understand when I was young, it wasn't even easy for me, even though I'm a Chinese. So just repeat after me. Ah, wo, i, u, ü, I, a, wei, ao, o, u, ye, yue, an, yin, wen, yun, ong, yang, ong, bo, po, mo, fu, de, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he, ji, qi, xi, zhi, chi, shi, zhi, zi, ci, si, yi, wu. I think most of you have heard that we have 4 different tones when it comes to pronouncing the word in Chinese. So here I'm going to teach you how the tones works, and hopefully it's going to be helpful to you. So this is the first tone, second tone, third tone, and fourth tone. And I'm going to demonstrate you how it's working. This is b, b. This is and it's first tone, so it goes like the tone is super flat. So combined together, it should be pronounced as ba, ba, ba. Very flat and very smooth, and you want to drag it a little bit to sound more natural. Ba. Here's second tone. Ba, ba, ba. And third tone, go down, then go up. Ba, 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 ba. And first tone sounds a little bit harsh. Ba, 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 ba. So the logic is all the same for the rest of the combination. This one is a da. This is the, da, 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 da. You should really pay attention to the rhythm. Da, 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 da. Na, 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 na. Pa, 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 pa. Sa, 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 sa. Now, did you get it? And because this is our first lesson, I'm not gonna go too deep about the pronunciation and the tones. But you do need a review. Learning Mandarin is not easy, especially when it comes to tones. The beginning part is always the hardest part. Uh, so hopefully you guys can make great success. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next course. Thank you very much.